And we've been checking out conditions all across Northeast Ohio, and this is pretty similar. I mean, you'll see pavement in spots. You're going to see a lot of snow-covered side streets. It's very icy. Blowing and drifting is still an issue because it's still very blustery with those winds 10 to 20 to even 25 miles an hour. We'll get into the wind chills, but we do have a wind chill advisory that continues through midday, and that is for every single one of you. As cold as 25 below zero when you take the winds into account. And that's the important number to take away from all of this, is what it feels like. Throughout today, we're gonna definitely keep things on the frigid side as we get into your Monday here. Highs only in the low teens, well below the 30s we should be. Winds are still very, very gusty. 10 to 20 is sustained. Gusts as high as 25 still happening. They will start to subside a bit as we get into the afternoon, but not at the moment. And because of that, we're dealing with single-digit temperatures to even zero or just below. And then you take the wind chill into account, and most wind chills are between -10, -20, -25 at this time. Those are the numbers in blue. And we'll do some tracking and notice that even once we get into afternoon and the winds subside, I mean, with temperatures only in the teens today, we're still talking wind chills around zero into the afternoon, into the evening hours. It's going to remain very, very frigid. So keep that fire going. And hopefully, you know, the kids are out of school. Maybe you took the day off and are able to just sort of cozy up. It would be another wonderful day for that. If you're going to be outside, obviously common sense, dress nice and warm. I know the kids want to get out and sled in this, and there's numerous things going on across all of Northeast Ohio because of it being MLK Day and activities, ice skating and things that are indoors, obviously. So take advantage. And notice that this morning there is still snow coming down, lake effect snows. This is going to start to diminish as we head through the rest of the morning. By afternoon, it should be drier, but this is just adding to the mess this morning that we already have on the ground. So west and east suburbs, south into Parma, into Strongsville, North Royalton, still getting snowed on. And we're seeing that snow south into places like Hudson and Richfield and Cuyahoga Falls. It's been scattered in your area as well. And to the east in Lake County, in Geauga County, we've had snow showers. Medina County seeing some snow. And totals, they're going to continue to be tweaked throughout the course of today because of the lake effect that is currently falling. So these amounts are going to vary once again, but anywhere from about 8 to 14 inches of snow reported in Mansfield so far. In areas like North Canton, 8.5 inches of snow on the ground. Strongsville's got a foot of snow on the ground, almost 10 inches in Mentor. So, you know, it's really a lot of blowing and drifting at this point, which is impossible to avoid with the winds what they are. On our hour-by-hour National Design Mart forecast, you'll see how into the rest of today, we really do notice that the lake effect fades. And then we're pretty uneventful as we head into your Tuesday. And here's the good news. Once we get into early tomorrow, and after we get over this really, really cold start, because we'll have partly cloudy skies, and I think we'll be in those single digits with wind chills below zero, not as harsh as today because the winds will be lighter. We really rebound tomorrow afternoon. We'll end up in the 30s for highs tomorrow, which will feel like a complete tropical warm up. And then here comes rain. Would you believe it? Rain by early Wednesday. We'll be above freezing as we start off Wednesday and end up climbing into the 40s for Wednesday's highs. So that is going to be a huge difference from what we just went through over the weekend. Back to colder air, up and down we go. Thursday, Friday through this weekend, we'll have scattered snow showers, no real big storms after Wednesday, but it's definitely going to get colder again.